Welcome to BuildWealthWise. Today, let's delve into a fundamental principle of investing, understanding risk. This quote by Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, highlights a critical aspect of investing. Knowledge is power. Investing can be risky, but that risk is significantly reduced when you know what you're doing. Knowledge and research are your best tools. Start by educating yourself. Read books, take courses, and follow market news. Understanding the basics of investing can prevent many common mistakes. Diversification is another key strategy. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce the risk of a single investment negatively impacting your entire portfolio. Use risk management tools and techniques. Stop loss orders, asset allocation, and regular portfolio reviews can help you manage and mitigate risks. Seek advice from experienced investors and financial advisors. Learning from others' experiences can provide valuable insights and help you avoid common pitfalls. Remember, the more you know, the less you fear. Confidence in your knowledge and understanding can transform your investment journey from a risky venture to a calculated strategy. Join us at BuildWealthWise for more insights and tips on smart investing. Subscribe to our free newsletter and stay informed. Remember, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Let's invest wisely together. Stay informed, stay confident, and let's build a better future together.